Welcome to Hotspot. In this video, I will show you how to share internet connection with your PC using mobile hotspot. To do that, I'll disconnect Wi-Fi and connect mobile data to turn on internet on mobile. Then I'll go to settings from mobile, connections, mobile hotspot and tethering. I will turn on mobile hotspot, select mobile hotspot. And here, as you can see, the network name is MJ's Galaxy and password is Javed123. I can configure it again. I can change the password from here, but let's go with this one. So mobile hotspot is on. As you can see, my internet is off. Here we have it, MJ's Galaxy. Let's connect to this network. And it's connected and secure. And now we'll be able to use the internet on PC. And it's internet from mobile by using hotspot. So this is how you can share internet connection with your PC using mobile hotspot. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.